Welcome back, YouTube fam. It's your boy Y back again with another video. This one's going to be quick. It's just about the nothing ear A's. As you know, they just came out with the nothing ear opens, so I decided to do a quick video on how I like these yellow ones. I didn't get the white ones. The white ones look kind of too basic. I wanted to get the yellow ones because it seemed like those really stand out. So when you open the box, just like with the nothing ears, you're greeted with just the box, and when you pull the slip, good thing they have a slip where you can just pull it out. You have that on the outside which you can scan that QR code, and it's also on the inside of the box as well. So when you open the bottom, you have the booklet, which you see there with the QR code, and then you have two little boxes, one with a charger, which we all know I'm never going to use. I already have a Type-C, so I just keep it in there, but it does have the Nothing brand, so that's good. It would have been cool if it was transparent though. It would have been better that way, or at least it would have stood out, or at least if it was yellow to match the headbuds. And then on the other end, you have the muff replacements, small and large. They always put medium as a standard, so it's kind of like in the middle. And after I finally got my book out, as you know, there's the booklet. Now, I'm never going to read it because for earbuds, you don't necessarily need to. It should be more self-standard. But if you do need to read it, I'm glad they still have it for you. So when you pull the slip, and they always have these nice packages. Nothing does a really good job of packaging their products. Even the little stuff matters. You're greeted with the nothing ear A's, the yellows. I call them like the bumblebees. They look really nice. I like the transparent top. I like the yellow on the inside, the yellow on the outside. It looks really, really nice. One thing that I was thinking about is if you think about the box, I don't like how you rip open the box the way it does. Not that it's bad, but I think it could be better because I like to keep the box afterwards and put everything back in, but that's just me. Alright, so now I'm pulling up the phone, and again, you can use that package on the front to scan the QR code, or it's in the box on that booklet like you saw earlier. So when you scan the QR code, it brings you to the Nothing X app. As you can see, it has pretty good ratings. I really like their app. Even if you don't have the Nothing phone, they still let you use that app, so I think it's pretty cool. Some companies, such as Apple, for example, makes it a little more difficult. Alright, now that I've installed it, I'm going to go through all the settings, setting it up because it's my first time installing it on this phone. Alright, Bluetooth required. Alright, this is where we scan it. And as you can see, even though it's not a Nothing phone, it still pulls up the buds pretty quick. I like that. I also like the little animation, how I pulled it up that way with the phones. Maybe it's just me, like I said, even the little details are pretty cool. Alright, you got to be careful when you do that, log all your contacts as well. So that's definitely, it's optional. You don't have to do it, but I do it all the time. Alright, now setting it up. Alright, now we're at the beginning where you see meet the ear A. So all the different pinch settings. So this one is a pinch. So you just pinch the sides. But you have to pinch it like firmly. That's what I learned by having like other earbuds when they have those pinch controls. So first we always want to start off with the update, because when you get it, it's normally not as updated as it should be because they always release updates depending on the company. And Nothing, when I got these earbuds, they had released a couple more updates since then. So just having to update it, it was kind of like a no-brainer. Alright, now when you look at the earbuds themselves, it looks like really glossy finish. Still holds onto that traditional transparent stick on the end, just like with the Nothing ears, which is good because it still stays consistent. Overall, I really like these earbuds. They do look familiar to the Nothing ears, but I like the yellow color. Let me know in the comments if you might get these. Again, I have listened to these. These do sound pretty nice, but I just wanted to show you guys like the quick unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, comment.